I'm good, I'm good. Do your damn, nigga.
When they come to this weed, it was absolutely nothing. Niggas is telling me I was 13. I heard this little voice in my head, and it kept telling me again.
In the cab.
I'ma say hell to the no. Bitches suck. All my niggas say hell to the no. We stay high up. Where the sun is, yo. You must admit that I am good as gold. Catch me, that's my gut drown. That's silly shit, yo. Oh, you trying to make me merry-go-round? That's silly shit, though. Every time I come round, I'm spelling like Dro, and I buy personals by the pound.
They won't sell you a no.
No way.
You gotta keep going.
It won't say you an O. I know that it might seem pathetic, but yo, Melvin's that dude with an alien flow, smoking on that best ever before. Telling it slow.
I gotta put it in my computer.
Okay.
That's what it is.
That's definitely one to put in there.
I'm putting both of them on me.
Yeah, you gotta get that, man.
I do internet radio too, so y'all good.